Hi Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. You can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements so you can get the most of your reading. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Sa mga nagtatanong, all my readings are timeless. Pwede kayong maging bukas sa mga messages. Anytime you come across this video, there's no time in spirit. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo Libra. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Libra. Okay, receipts. Okay. Meron kayong inaayos, okay, sa mga purchases ninyo. Okay. May mga tinitingnan kayo ng mga resibo. Meron kayong ginagawa, reconciliation of accounts. May iba sa inyo, you are an accountant or you are in a finance or accounting department. Okay? Nagtatrabaho. Okay? May inaayos kayo ng mga accountabilities also. Okay? Kaperahan, expenses, huge decisions. Meron kayong mga importante na desisyon sa buhay na gagawin, sa career man to or sa finances, okay? Yes, yung iba sa inyo maglilipat ng work, okay? Or merong travel na gagawin. May bagong opportunity na tinitingnan, okay? So you're going to make a huge decision na magpapago sa inyong future. Okay? We are hiring. Yes, job search. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, naghahanap ng ibang opportunities, doing job search, okay? Nag-a-apply, performance evaluation. Yeah, for some of you, may mga concerns about your performance evaluation, okay? Or you are evaluating or assessing yourself sa inyong company, and assessing your options. Job offer. Yes. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are about to accept a job offer. Okay? Yeah, kaya merong huge decision. Pinag-iisipan nyo ng mabuti. Okay? This is going to be a big decision for you. An important decision. Okay? Yung iba, yes, makakatanggap kayo ng job offer na matagal nyo nang inaantay. Yes. Yeah. Tingnan natin ano pa yung mga ibang messages for Libra. Libra. Axe. Forces working against you. Okay. May conflict or may mga tao that are working against you. Hindi sila pabor sa inyo or hindi nila nagugustuhan. Simple ikaw. Okay. Okay. Problema na nila yon for some of you. Yeah. They are not in favor of you. Okay. Clouds. Temporary problems. Okay. Kung ano man ang inyong mga pinagdadaanan ngayon or problema, is just temporary. Okay. Mabibigyan niya ng solusyon. Problema man sa bahay, sa trabaho mo, okay? Or sa mga colleagues, sa boss. Okay? Problem with your clients or customers. Teapot. Deep friendship with someone of the same sex. Okay, for some of you, you are in a relationship of the same sex or malalim na relasyon with someone of the same sex. Same as you, okay? Same sex as you. Bull. Do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. Yes. Show strength and fortitude. Okay? Defend yourself. Protect yourself. Sun. Happiness and well-being. Yeah. Happiness and well-being. For some of you, meron kayong naisip na mga brilliant ideas, okay, that will lead you to success. Yan. Merong happiness na nag-aantay para sa inyo. Good health. Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. There is someone, okay, na matigas ang ulo, aggressive, or inconsiderate, okay? You are dealing with someone na ganyan. So be aware of that. Libra. Tingnan natin kung anong messages para sa inyo na mga parating na mga messages. Gabay and energies for Libra, please, Libra. Libra, energies and messages for Libra. Ano yung mga paparating na mga energies, messages for Libra? Okay. Oops. Libra. Yeah. Options and choices. You're going to make a complex decision in your life, okay? Mga opportunities na dumadating sa inyo, okay? Yung iba sa inyo may mga options. Ano talaga ang para sa inyo? Ano talaga yung gusto ninyo? Which direction? Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, may mga purchases kayong kailangan gawin, may mga bibilhin. You are reviewing things. Okay? Or namimili kayo. Okay? Yeah, Ace of Swords. You will come to a decision. Magkakaroon ka ng clarity. Okay? Magkakaroon ng solusyon ang inyong problema or kung ano man ang inyong iniisip. Okay? You will be sharp in making a decision. Yeah. There is success. You will be victorious. There will be clarity. Okay? Sa inyong sitwasyon. Kung meron man kayong pinag-iisipan or pinagdidesisyonan, okay, you will gain clarity, mental clarity. You will know what to do. Okay? Security and stability. Okay? Meron kayong pinaplano na gagawin. It's going, parang mabagal, okay, but it will ensure security and stability sa inyo para sa future ninyo. Yeah. You are making plans about your future, about your career, about your work. Kung ano yung next step ninyo na gagawin. Discernment, okay? Balance your decision, okay, mentally and emotionally, okay, and also be firm, okay, sa inyong mga desisyon na gagawin. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Mahanap mo din kung ano yung path na para sa inyo. Magkakaroon ka ng enlightenment. You'll be making a decision para sa inyong kabutihan for your highest good. You will be very happy. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, there will be a wish come true. A wish comes true para sa inyong Libra. You will be proud of yourself. Okay? So, yung mga concern mo, ay mga problema mo will fade away. Okay? A love of life. Okay. Yeah. You will be making a decision. Yung iba sa inyo, you are waiting for some documents. Yung documents na yan, you will be able to receive it and it will make you happy. Okay? The world. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be achieving something. Okay? With pride. You will be traveling. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, may inaantay kayo, bina-work out na papeles or documents or visa. Okay? It will be a successful one. Yes. You will be transferring. Okay? Change of location, change of address. For some of you, a travel. Yeah. Overspending, self-indulgence. For some of you, okay, you need to release yourself from entrapment about negative thoughts or toxic relationship, toxic behavior, or a toxic person. Okay? Yan. Clear your mind, Libra. Kung meron kayong desisyon na gagawin. Yeah. Yeah. You have the power or the ability to detach yourself from this unhealthy na sitwasyon. Kung nasa isang relasyon kayo na hindi healthy or hindi maganda, may mga patterns na hindi maganda, meron kang kakayahan na umalis, okay? Kasi hindi siya nakakadulot ng mabuti para sa inyo. Okay? Nagko-cause siya ng mental, ano tawag dito? Yung, not mental problem, kundi yung toxic yung pag-iisip ba. Okay? Yeah, competition, conflicting ideas with your colleagues, yung mga tao na sa paligid ninyo, merong competition. Okay? Yeah, you are overthinking, yun, overthinking about a situation na merong competition. Competing goals with people, conflict. Okay? So, be competent as well. Sa work mo, okay? Be competent. Yung iba sa inyo, yes, you have to make a decision or you will be consulting someone na a leader, a boss, okay? Merong concern dyan or competition also with your boss or someone that is senior or mas higher ang posisyon sa inyo. Someone on a higher rank, okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, you're already pagod. May mga backstabbing na nangyayari. Okay. Deception, mga dishonesty, backstabbing. Okay. But you are recovering. Okay. Things will be better now for you, Libra. Yeah, the Fool. May mga potential ka, okay? Or may mga opportunities kang iti-take, okay? Na-initiate. But also, be careful then or be prepared sa mga challenges along the way. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you are freeing yourself from this situation. You will take a risk, okay? Take a leap of faith sa isang opportunity. Okay? Wheel of Fortune. A situation suddenly moves forward for you. Okay? Merong paggalaw, merong galaw, merong aksyon na mangyayari. Okay? Fortune is on your side. Luck is on your side. Merong pagbabago, significant change, a positive one. Positibong pangyayari. Okay, na mangyayari sa inyo in your life, personal life. Okay? Yes, success, positivity, and healing. You have a guiding star. So, happy times ahead for you, Libra. Okay? For some of you, you are healing from a toxic relationship. Okay? You are detaching yourself from this. Okay? Toxic relationship, toxic people, okay? Kung saan merong competition or hindi pagkakaayos, merong disalignment. It may be sa work. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Make long-term plans, no? Positive long-term na plans for you. Things are looking good for you, Libra. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong inaantay na good news, okay? Or a result or a job offer. Yes, job offer. New contracts. Okay? Inflow of abundance na paparating, magbibigay sa inyo ng security, big money. Okay? New contract, new job. Okay? Yes. you will be receiving it. Kung merong mga delays before, ngayon, parang sunod-sunod. Many things happening at once. Okay? Yeah. Communication. Communication of good news and positivity. Okay? Very good. Yeah. So, you are looking forward para sa future mo. You are being optimistic. Okay? So, make plans. Yeah. You are a creative person. May mga ideas kang naisip. Okay? Na may potential to grow. Okay? Yeah. Protect yourself. Defend yourself. Okay? Protect your peace. So, may mga bright ideas kang naisip that will lead you to success. Okay? Merong awards for some of you na kang matatanggap because of your creativity. Yes. Nice. So, security, finances, material things. Okay? Fortune. Pagbabago, changes, merong abundance, kasaganahan in your family life, on your material things or material wealth, in your finances. Financial security, kumbaga. Okay? Not only for yourself, but sa future mo or sa family mo. Okay? Nice. So, let go yung mga negative thoughts. Okay? Stop overthinking. Or sometimes this is paranoia. Okay? Dahil sa mga hindi maganda na nangyayari sa paligid mo, merong competition, conflicting goals. Okay? May mga conflicts sa mga katrabaho mo. Or even in your relationship or sa situation mo. Yes. Merong healing. Okay? Merong pagbabago. Embrace the change. Yeah. So, you need to get up. Okay? Do something. Take that leap of faith. Okay? And the calculated risk along the way. Be prepared. Okay? Get ready sa mga challenges as well. Yeah. Libra. Nice. Happiness. Blessings. New contracts. Okay? Incentives. Commission. Big money. Okay? Big opportunity. Job opportunity. Okay? Yeah. You've been waiting for this, or for some of you, you know that it will happen. Things are looking good for you. Okay? Yeah. There is healing, clarity. You are guided for this. Okay? You are destined of receiving abundance, of receiving big blessing. Okay? Libra. Okay? Yung matagal nyo nang inaantay, okay? Magkakaroon na ng movement, ng galaw. Yeah. A positive change will happen to you. Magbibigay sa inyo ng healing. Okay? It is your birthright to receive abundance and to enjoy it. Okay, Libra? So, tingnan natin from the Spirit Messages Oracle cards. Ano yung message for Libra? Ooh. Instead of pushing yourself so hard, stop, breathe, and reevaluate. You are doing enough even if it doesn't feel like it. Don't wear yourself out to the point of exhaustion. It is not worth it. Balance your time more wisely. Okay? Not worth it. Okay? Kung ano man tong mga backstabbing, difficulties with other people, okay, it's not worth it. Yeah. ilabas mo yung sarili mo sa isang toxic na sitwasyon or toxic na relasyon. Okay? For some of you. Only then na maka-move forward ka. Okay? Something new will begin for you. Okay? From the angel number card, $33. If you are seeing this number 33, this is the message for you. Any positive changes or projects you are considering right now will be worth your while. Expect that your power to manifest and create will be heightened. I am expanding. Yes, you are expanding, Libra. Okay? So believe in yourself. Okay? Do not overthink. Be decisive as well sa mga desisyon, no? Sa mga areas in your life like sa work or even in the relationship, okay? Know what is right for you. Get out from toxicity, okay? So these are the messages for you, Libra. Maraming salamat sa inyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!